Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade coleslaw. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 medium head of green cabbage, 2 crisp carrots, and a small onion for a subtle kick. For the dressing, have ready 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. A pinch of salt and pepper will round out the flavors perfectly. Now let's get those vegetables ready. Start by finely shredding your cabbage and carrots. A food processor with a shredding disc makes this super quick, or you can use a sharp knife and a bit of patience. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together your mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, sugar, salt, and pepper until smooth. Taste and adjust the seasoning. You might want a little more tang or sweetness. It's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, add your shredded cabbage and carrots. Pour the creamy dressing over the vegetables. Using a large spoon or tongs, gently toss until everything is thoroughly coated. Don't overmix, as this can make the cabbage watery. Once combined, cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious homemade coleslaw is now ready to enjoy. Serve it alongside barbecue, fried chicken, or as a fresh topping for pulled pork sandwiches. For best results, consume within 2 to 3 days. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator to maintain freshness. Remember to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.